Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will going to show you how you can stop Discord from starting up every time you open your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to stop Discord from starting up every time you open your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm going to do. So for the first step, I want you to right-click your Windows taskbar and then go to Task Manager. And once you're here on the Task Manager, next, I want you to go to the Startup Apps section. And here on the Startup Apps section is where you will see all the apps that runs every time you open your device. If it's set as enabled right here, it will start whenever you open your PC, so all you have to do to stop that is to disable this. And once disabled, it's done. Congratulations! Your Discord will not automatically start anymore every time you open your device unless you open the app yourself. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes for our tutorial video for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.